everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another hotel review video. In today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Sheraton in Frankfurt airport. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Every Friday, I'm gonna upload a new hotel review video to my channel. Before we move on to the room tour, I'd like to give a quick summary on the highlights, lowlights, and membership benefits for staying at this hotel. Talking about highlights, I don't want to mention location anymore, but location is the biggest highlight for all the airport hotels. The second highlight I want to say is the club lounge, because you know, for most of the airport hotels, you probably won't be able to find any restaurants around the airport. The Sheraton hotel has a very good lounge. We basically had our dinner at the club lounge and it's really good. A lot of options, a lot of drinks as well. We fed ourselves, so it's really good. I highly recommend it. Then talking about lowlights, I wanted to say it took us about 10 minutes from the car rental return spot. It's a bit hard to find this hotel actually. And the second lowlights, I would say the bedding, the pillows are not very comfortable. The mattress is too firm. The pillows are just too small. And talking about membership benefits, as a Marriott Titanium, our room has been upgraded and we had access to the lounge. We had complimentary breakfast, but unfortunately because our flight was too early that day, so we haven't got a chance to have brekkie there. It's a shame. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions, please feel free to put in the comment section. Please don't forget to check my channel for a new video every Friday. Yeah, thank you. Welcome to our room. I will give you a quick room tour. Let me start from my left side. And we've got a toilet right here. In a very small portion though. Rain shower head, flexible shower head, a tray here to put all those toiletries on. Pretty simple closet, and then we got 2 pillows of the top, a bathrobe, iron board, and the sleepers looks a bit. And the pillow is very small. And there's 2 side tables. We couldn't see any alarms, telephone, Bluetooth speaker. It's a bit weird because normally they would prepare something up there. But we got a switchboard here and a charging socket here. The drawers are quite empty as well. Some complimentary drink, instant coffee, and tea bags here. Mini fridge is empty. Working desk, yeah, that's why I think they probably just put everything on this working desk. 2 complimentary water. Oh, this is interesting. Actually, I think this is quite convenient, but you know what, because I am nearsighted, I don't think I can see anything. When I wake up in the middle of the night, I have to get my glasses on. But if I get my glasses on, what's the point of reading this when I can read my phone?